Namaskar. I'm Dhwani Jaipuria. I'm an architect by my education, a designer by heart, and becoming a passionate educator slowly. It gives me immense joy to be speaking to this audience of young parents. This is where my heart lies where it comes to education. This is where all the creativity is. I'm a mother of two beautiful babies myself. They're 4 and 2, and I can absolutely relate to the anxiety, excitement, exhaustion, and all the emotions a mother who wants to do as much as you can for the child feels. Dear mothers, you are in good, no, actually great hands. I think Poonam ji, Pankaj ji, Monica ma'am, and her entire team, the amount of passion that they bring to the profession and the amount of passion they work with, whether it comes to their assemblies, to continuous upgradation of infrastructure, to curriculum, to everything that they do, it's an inspiration to me and all of us. My father-in-law, chairman of St. Anaram Jaipuria Group of Institutions, is one of the most forward-looking person I know at his age. His need and drive to provide the absolute best to our students with no compromise is an inspiration to our generation in the family and many more to come after us. With a team like ours and our passion for education, we have been able to develop a school with students with multiple abilities. The school successfully has a round square tie-up which opens doors to many international tie-ups. I believe Poonam ma'am is going to London soon also. With STAR, which is Samarthya Teachers Training Academy, we are being able to train teachers in all modern aspects of education. We are amongst very few schools in the country providing AI trainings to our teachers who are forwarding that knowledge to students. We have leadership conclaves at the group level every year where we are always brainstorming as leaders together and trying to figure out what is the next big thing that we are concentrating on. So this year our theme was personalized education, and that's where we wanted to put our focus in. And coincidentally, Khan Migo has been launched just merely 7 to 8 days back, and we already are in discussion on how to take it forward into the school. And within 2 to 3 months, you will see its effects in the school. Our aim is to teach and imbibe learning to learn so that children become independent and own their learnings. Critical thinking, communication, collaboration are becoming very, very important skills. With AI thinking, next level of planning is becoming easy. I agree AI is making our life easy, but we still need people who can execute the work that is being planned. So hands-on skills will again become important and relevant. Environmental sensitivity and caring for Mother Earth, Dharti Ma as my daughter calls it, is becoming necessarily. It should no more be taken as a privilege. School is trying hard to sensitize children in SDG goals. At last, I would say beware of social media and screens. It has great impact on children and mostly it is not good. So many countries like Australia and France are taking measures. I hope India also comes to that. But before that, as parents, we should do as much as we can. As a mother of kids born into the Instagram Reels and InShots generation, I really want to do something for language development. Our senior team has been able to anticipate this fear of parents and has been able to develop a portal to gauge Lexile, which is reading or understanding skills and speeds for children of all ages, especially for the kids of the age 7 to 12, where they will want to choose books to read. And it is very important for kids to find books that they can read and understand. So a Lexile score will help them choose the correct books so that they can develop interest in reading. Good language skills will come in handy in every subject and sphere of life. At the end of it all, I think I'm a firm believer that we are all here as guides, mentors, and role models. The true aim of education, in Mother's words, I follow Mother Shri Aurobindo Ashram a lot. So, in Mother's words, is to know the inmost being, the true personality, the central consciousness of evolving individual, and to prepare the instruments of being, body, mind, and vital for its expression is the true aim of integral education. Thank you everyone for giving your time. Thank you.